Well, I guess it's time to do an unboxing video. I guess it's time to finally talk in one of my videos. So I just got this from my friend in Florida. He found it in an antique mall. This is one of the early vintage SilverTowne bars I've been looking for. And he wrapped it well, I'll give him that. Nice. Here we go. There it is. Very nice. This is a Series 3, one of the earlier SilverTowne bars. One of the brands I really like to collect. Very nice. A nice toning on it too. Thanks, Mark. You rock, dude.